before I forget, give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Give me a huge thumbs up. Click that bell button. Today I have a special guest with me today. My mom.
Me.
And today we're in Bloxburg.
Again.
So
we wanted to update you guys because last Bloxburg video we had only just started and it
was really
we didn't have any money and we didn't really
have enough stuff in our house, and we only had one floor, but now we have two. We have 3 more floors now.
So we've been working on this.
Yes.
And we wanted to show you guys because we're so excited.
And we are going to do our night routine and our morning routine again.
But first, let's just show you guys the house. A little house tour.
Yeah, our little house tour. So this is us, if you want to see us. That's us.
So we've been making this house and everybody's been coming up and asking us to donate money.
Yeah, and we gave her
lock for guests. Don't want any guests in the house because everybody keeps coming into our house. No, lock it.
I locked it.
No, you didn't. You unlocked it. Lock. Yeah, so everybody keeps coming in our house asking us for money. Anyway, so this girl needs some serious fun.
Yeah.
I'm
sorry you can hear my dog. Don't listen to her.
What are you doing?
So that's, guys, first we're going to go and eat. And this is our living room.
Yeah.
Kind of like our living room. That's our, warm up. That's our warm room. That is our lounge room.
No one can see.
This is our lounge room over here. Our orange couch and our TV. Here's our bookshelf. Right here.
So you can already see that it's such a big difference. We've done so much and we've worked so hard, so we are so excited.
And this is our table. This is our counter. This is our another counter.
A really big kitchen.
Stove. And we have our fridge and our bin. Oh, and guys, we're gonna do the back of the house.
So this house is still not finished. So we haven't finished it yet, but Zalia was too excited. She needed to show you guys now.
Yeah.
So there's just, if you keep going that way, there's like a guest room.
That's a guest room. And this girl's trying to donate her room, but we kicked her out. So yeah, why not? This is our bathroom, a bathroom mat. What? Bathroom mat? And there's a weird...
It's supposed to be a mirror.
It's a weird mirror. Okay.
So one thing that we don't know how to figure out in this game is how to change the colour of the walls or the carpet. I don't know how to do that. So if you can tell me, comment below.
But if you know, and if there's no idea as to do it.
So here's her bedroom.
Yeah.
And she hasn't made her bed today. She never makes her bed. She's so lazy. Girl, you need to make your bed.
She only made half of her bed.
And then she's got a lovely picture that she's been painting, working on her art skills.
Yep, and she done a nice one last time. It was pretty nice.
And over here, she's got
some clothes.
Her
and
little unicorn that she likes to play with.
And her makeup.
Let's just play with that for a second because she seriously needs some fun in her life right now.
Yeah, because it's only on...
And she's got her makeup there and her little octopus thingy.
Plushie.
Toy.
And then we have our clothes.
Yeah.
And then we have our windows.
You know what, guys? Zalia and I, we could not agree on the curtains. So if you like these blue curtains on the windows,
I do not.
comment below because I think they're really cool and they suit the room really well. But
No, they don't.
Zelia
Don't.
doesn't like them.
I like the pink ones.
I don't like the pink ones.
I like the pink ones.
Alright, so she's finished playing, so
and she also has her makeup.
So we've got like this really cool piano over here.
And she loves playing it. Let me show you guys. She is so good at the piano. Sit her down. Oh my gosh. Get off that chair. Now let's sit on this chair.
Play a song.
She needs to sit down.
No, you weren't pressing on the song. So here's her beautiful song.
My hair's going forward and it's making so funny.
She's music.
Level 3. She got level 3.
Alright, let's turn that back down. So she's a good musician, guys. Alright, so oh no, she's just got no energy. So let's just look at her. Look at her. This girl needs to have a rest.
She needs to have a rest because it's bedtime.
Just have a quick nap, guys, because she's seriously
tired.
She's tired.
And she, in the morning, is going to read some of these books, and then she's going to read, she's going to paint another one of these pictures, and then she's going to eat her breakfast, and then she's going to go to her job, and then she's going to come back home, eat some lunch, and then she's going to, work on some more.
Alright, but we've got a little bit of a backyard.
Yeah.
We haven't done too much, and there's still a lot of things that we're going to do to the house, but let's show them the backyard.
But not yet. Let's wait. Oh, she's. Guys, I forgot to show you. We have like this to edit our videos.
Go on them. Show them the pony with the rainbow.
It's not a pony.
Oh, it's a unicorn.
It's right here. Guys, this is our video we are editing. Her video. There's a bunch
rocking the computer.
There's a bunch of her videos. She's having some.
She's watching
Bloxburg.
No, U-Block.
Yeah,
I think it's called.
And she is having a lot of fun. So guys, comment down below what we should put in this room. Should it be another toilet? Because we only have one toilet in our house. And guys, there's nothing upstairs yet.
But show them upstairs because it's pretty cool. Still. Let me do it. So here's the 3rd level, and we've just put like this big kind of hole in the middle, which makes it look really cool. And we haven't really got anything up here yet, so if you've got any cool ideas, let us know. But
let us know if you want to do it as a party room.
I'm just gonna jump down here because
you're gonna get hurt. It's dangerous, man.
We just wanna go.
Wave your hands like you don't care. Be rich, man, rich, man. Yeah. Go downstairs.
You know what? Everybody's always just doesn't want to go and get their own money in this game. They just want to take yours.
Hey. I was going to show them backyard.
Okay, so here's the backyard.
Yep.
It's not finished yet.
Yep. Not finished. This is our water fountain, and that is our trees, and that is our lamp, and that is our seat, bench. And here, if you go over here, you can see it is a little table and a barbecue so you can cook food. And if you go back this way, and you go this way, there's a pool with a little hammock and some resting chairs to relax on, and there's palm trees, and there's a diving board and some lamps. But we're not going to turn them off. Let's go inside because it's
Close the door so nobody
it's
comes
zero.
in.
It's 30 degrees out there. Okay, guys, she's gonna have.
Oh, show them the garage.
Oh yeah, guys, we're gonna show you a quick part of our house, which is our garage. It's over here. Let me go out of the house. Of course. Open. We're just gonna leave our door open. No people in our neighborhood. It's okay. But we have enough friends. Open. Open. And we have our bike in here.
You just have a little scooter. It's a pink one. Yep, lock it so the guests don't take it. We've already had somebody take our bike.
I locked it. Now let's go inside our house.
So I got some little water fountains at the front too.
Yep, they're only little, which is really good. Let's go inside the house. Close our doors.
Yeah.
Lock.
No. Yeah.
And now, guys, we're gonna give her some breakfast because it's morning time, and she is not even tired. And it is breakfast time. And so that thing's in the way. Make food.
Well, what you have?
She's having bacon and eggs for breakfast, of course. These two are bacon and eggs and pancakes. So we're gonna cook the bacon and eggs first. So you can cook them, and you need to cook them. Well, you need to. Mom, you don't place it on the table.
Oh, you just cook it?
Yeah, you just cook it. Silly.
Oh, there's no preparing for this one. You just cook.
Wow, you very need some skills. Put some pepper on there.
Guys, if anyone wants to be our friend on Bloxburg, let us know, because we want some real friends that just don't want our money.
And Karina, if you're here, come to this mansion and you can see us, or tell us where your address is and we can come to your place. Maybe bacon and eggs. Ah, her favorite. She just loves bacon and eggs, guys.
There. So I'm just going to put her in the bath quickly so she can be nice and fresh.
And then she's gonna, we're not taking her to sleep. Because it's only just the morning.
Okay, guys, what do you think of our house? Please let us know in the comments.
Video.
See you in the next Bloxburg video.
And the next Bloxburg video is going to have all the things in our house.
Hopefully our house is complete.
Yeah.
Finished.
Yeah, finished. And I hope you comment down below. You comment down below what we should do.
Alright, guys. See you next time.
Bye. Stay sweet.